Hello, my name is Dr. Olaf Beck. I'm owner of a regenerative orthopedic consultation at Cologne, Germany. And today I want to tell you something about meniscal tears. How do you notice them? After sport injuries, you will feel very straight pain when you get a meniscal tear, and during your rotation of the knee you will feel the pain as well, because there will be a stretching of the meniscal roots, and transmitted by the capsula of the joint you feel the pain. It depends if it's the medial or the lateral meniscal structure. If you have a meniscal tear at the medial part, you will feel the pain when you do an outside rotation, and the opposite, if you have a lateral meniscal tear, you will feel the pain during the internal rotation. It's very important to do a very fast examination with an MRI to get the information what type of defect you have, because if it is, for example, a root tear defect, it's very important to do an orthopedic surgical intervention to fix the root tear. And it is also very important, if you have a radial tear, that you have an orthopedic intervention to stitch this defect to avoid that they will crease. And if you will lose at least the meniscus, you have a very high risk of getting an osteoarthrosis, because the bumper function of the meniscus is left, and there will be a contact between the two joint parts, and the cartilage will be affected, and at least you will get an osteoarthrosis. There is no treatment without a surgical intervention. All offered treatments with pastils or something like this are only developed for getting or for losing the pain, but it will not cure the tear defect. And so it's very important, if you have this sensation of pain during rotation of the knee after an accident or a very high bearing and rotation, and after this getting this pain, it's very important to do an MRI, because the MRI is the only examination where you can detect the defects and to get the right conclusion about the defect, and to choose the right therapy to avoid at least an osteoarthrosis. So if you are interested for more information, you can visit our homepage at www.arthro-prax.de, and there you can find a form, so you can send me your questions, and we will respond as soon as possible. Okay, so all the best from Germany, Dr. Beck.